Professor Dave here. Let's learn the names of body parts.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
All of this grammar we've been learning may be giving you a headache, but before you rush off to the doctor, you'll need to be able to list the parts of the body so you can tell them what's wrong. Since this particular problem is a grammar-related headache, let's start at the head, or la testa, and work our way down. What's on la testa? Il viso. Il viso. Un occhio. Due occhi. Above those, le sopracciglia. Le sopracciglia. Higher still, la fronte. La fronte. Heading back downwards, il naso. Il naso. And le orecchie. Le orecchie. To speak Italian, we need la bocca. La bocca. I denti. I denti. La lingua. La lingua. And then on top of the head, I capelli. I capelli. Now that the head is taken care of, let's move downwards. First we hit il collo, and le spalle. Le spalle. Going one way, we find la schiena. La schiena. Going the other way, there's il petto. Il petto. From here, il braccio, or le braccia. Il braccio, or le braccia. Il gomito. Il gomito. La mano, or le mani. La mano, or le mani. Il polso. Il polso. Il dito, or le dita. Il dito, or le dita. And le unghie on the fingertips. Back to the torso, we have la pancia. La pancia. L'ombelico. L'ombelico. Lo stomaco. Lo stomaco. And il cuore. Il cuore. Finishing things off with the lower half, we have le gambe. Le gambe. Le cosce. Le cosce. Il ginocchio. Il ginocchio. La caviglia. La caviglia. And I piedi. I piedi. Now, if you go to Italy and you become ill, you will at least be able to tell the doctor which body part hurts. Just say, Dottore, mi fa male la schiena, or insert whatever you need. Now let's get back to some grammar, but first, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.